Welcome back to AchyPaw Canine Massage and Myotherapy. In this video we're going to demonstrate and discuss pre and post exercise, also known as warm-up and cool-down massage routines. A warm-up routine is essential before you embark on any form of exercise, and including a pre-exercise regime as part of a workout or even just before the dog goes for a walk, just as important for our canine athlete as it is for a human athlete. The body needs to make a number of adjustments when undertaking any exercise. These include increasing the breathing and the heart rate, increasing the energy releasing reactions in the muscles, promoting blood flow to the muscles to supply them with more oxygen and to help remove waste products. The adjustments the body makes don't happen immediately. It takes a few minutes to reach optimum and necessary levels. Therefore, if you can do a warm-up routine, these can encourage these adjustments to occur more gradually, allowing the body to reach a more specific level of readiness in order to undertake specific strenuous activity. Energetic exercise carried out by the body which has got cold muscles, cold joints and tendons is ill prepared for the demands being made of it. That may lead to injury or unnecessary fatigue. The intention with a warm-up routine is not to work on a specific muscle like you would do with petrissage and kneading, but it's to warm and prepare the tissues. You keep it light. It's not designed to wear the dog out or to tire the muscles before it's even begun the exercise. Also, warming the body up and warming the dog up helps to stimulate their mind, so it gets them prepared for any exercise. The warm-up aims to increase the physiological rates, heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, also metabolic rates, oxygen, glucose, which helps to supply energy, as well as raising temperature of muscles and the joints. In a warm muscle, the nerve impulses travel faster and the body reacts quicker, and the muscles glide over each other easier. That makes the movements quicker and more precise, which is what you often want for dogs to jump over a tall wall or weave in an agility course. A warm muscle is also less prone to strains and ruptures than a cold one. As well as general stimulation, massage also helps to stretch the muscles, connective tissue, the fascia, all of which help to reduce the risk of strains or tearing the muscles by sudden twisting or jumping moves that the dog may do. So, warms muscles, loosens joints, prepares the muscle fibres, allows increased stretch. Many benefits of doing a warm-up routine. If you're going to do this for an event such as canicross or agility, you would maintain general walking or trotting to keep everything warm. You wouldn't do the warm-up routine and then leave it for 10 minutes, just keep the dog trotting around. So the routine, all the things that we've shown before: deep effleurage, front to back, up the legs, on the chest, every muscle that you can do. It's not targeted, it's quick, it's fast, the whole routine probably take about 4 or 5 minutes. Shaking, you can do some skin rolling, things to lift the fur, get the blood going. Then you might do some gentle kneading. Again, it's not targeted kneading, gentle kneading with your hand all over. Finish with shaking, finish with effleurage. The whole thing doesn't actually take you a long time. You can easily incorporate this into your daily walking routine as well, so that if your dog has been fast asleep and you expect them to go for a walk, they're less likely to struggle as they get up. Dogs tend to have two speeds: 0, like this, and 100, where they're racing around. They're often fast asleep in the back of the car, then they jump out the car and they go off like a rocket. Incorporating a quick warm-up routine can really help prevent any injuries. As well as warming them up, cool them down. At the end of the exercise, during exercise, the body may have some micro tears in the muscles. You might get a build-up of waste products. There may be some sort of stresses and strains to the tendons and ligaments. So if you cool the body down, if you do a cool down routine, Not only can you help to stretch the muscle back out again, but you can feel for any tears that the dog may have sustained during their exercise. They'll let you know, which means that you can target it before it becomes a big problem. So it realigns the muscle fibres, elongates the muscles, it's relaxing, it's soothing. Hello Sarah, you going to join us? Keeps the blood circulating, gets rid of waste products. And from a psychological perspective, what it does is it says to the dog, okay, we've done the exercise, you can go to sleep now. You can have a relax. So it helps the bonding between you and your dog. The moves are very similar to the warm-up and cool-down, but they're slower, they're gentle. You don't want to stimulate the dog anymore. You want to relax the dog. You want the dog to know that everything's okay now to go to sleep. So it's gentle effleurage. Again, front to back, gentle effleurage while you're feeling for the body as well. Gentle shaking, gentle skin rolling, possibly a bit of gentle kneading, but everything is the same but more gentle. You'd also incorporate lymphatic drainage up the legs to the glands. And again, calm the dog down and say to the dog, okay, it's now time that you can relax. The idea is you want your dog to finish the exercise and know that it's all right now to sit down. Thank you, Sarah. That's a warm-up and cool-down routine if you want to learn more about it. We do classes, we teach these routines. Have a look at our website, and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to AchyPaw, home to supple dogs.